Welcome to the Campervan New Zealand Cribs Edition. So you can come in here. We always check the fridge first, don't we? So there is nothing but vegetables. A couple Cokes and coconut milk, you know how it is. And then we have, if you would like to come in here, we have storage. These are dirty dishes because those aren't washed yet. Let's not look at there. These are clean dishes. This is all our food, and this is the best coffee in New Zealand, we hear. Makona. Our wilderness.co.nz mugs, of course. And then all of our toiletries for the refrigerator. I coined that. Okay, this is our bathroom. We have a shower. Apparently, just like this. If you wanted to come in and shower, you could. You see me? You see me? All right, now on to other storage. All of our duvet cover and pillows are in there. We cannot open it. It's like booby trapped right now. Then we have our sitting area, and this table pulls back and forth here. You can see like 6 people here. And then we have our nice TV that plays DVDs, which we don't. I mean, who owns DVDs? But one of the best parts is our bed. Right here. Comes with a ladder if you're feeling frisky, or, you know, we just kind of jump up there like that, jump up there like that. But it supports 2 400-pound Americans. Just kidding. We're only, you know, 300 total. So you just throw that back up there. It just, with a flick of a button, in seconds, really quick, it goes up. And just like that, it's taken care of. And there's our bed. Alright, so there's more storage up here. I forgot what we'd put up here. Oh, there's my sweater I was looking for this morning. It doesn't always do this, guys. Okay, that's gonna stay down. And then we have, if we turn on our batteries here, you can't see it now, but there are lights all throughout the house. So you can flick these lights on and off right there. We have a nice sky view here for when we're in bed. Check it. And then we have a very messy, all of our belongings storage up here. So if you all come get in the driver's seat with me. Oh. Of course, we drive on the right-hand side here. We have our Mac Daddy GPS. His name's Tom. Then we have our regular iPod player, through auxiliary, our USB cord chargers, and that's about it up here. Brake, gas, you know, the usual stuff. Check this out. If we wanted to, while we were parked, there we go. If you wanted to, while you're parked, boom, a table seat. But you gotta pull the table over too. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people. You can only sleep 2, but you can feed 8. Leaving the chair like that for now. It also has plugs and whatnot, and storage under the seats, and that's the door. So, on that note, find yourself the door. See you next time.